Quick reading for March the 1st to March the 2nd of Virgo. Your cards are the Seven of Swords, the Hanged One, and the Ace of Wands. Um, sa tingin ko, parang sa tingin mo, no, na parang ginagamit lang ba ako nito ni person for the sake of, makapagparaos siya or with my body? Sabihin nating relationship, no, or making love is part of it. Making love, ha? Remember the words that I used. I didn't use the word sex. I used the word love. Making love. Making love is part of the relationship. Yes, it may be an outlet for your person to actually sabihin nating it could be their way of expressing their emotions to you. Pero sabihin din natin may pagkamahilig din si person. Pero ito kasi ginagawa niya is actually more of madami siguro siyang gustong sabihin na hindi niya masabi verbally, kaya ginagawa niya ito through actions and dito niya lang ipinapakita. Either way, um, nandun yung love, nandun yung pagmamahal, nandoon yung care na hindi niya masabi, no, through words. This is your quick reading, Virgo, for March the 1st to March the 2nd.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.